having a driving license, voting rights, owning your house, or working full-time. None of these are possible till you become an adult. There are so many restrictions till you turn 18. However, there are still something that you can do before turning 18, and that is to make your money work for you or investing. But before I tell you more about how to go about investing and saving for your future expenses even before becoming an adult, here's what you need to do. If you enjoy our content, do like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest video updates from DSP Mutual Fund. This really helps us increase the reach of our video to a larger audience who can also benefit from this knowledge and become better investors. According to the Indian Majority Act 1875, an individual who has not yet turned 18 is considered to be a minor. And yes, a minor can also invest in a mutual fund scheme under the guidance of the parent or the legal guardian. In most scenarios, parents are the natural guardian to the minor child. In other cases, there could be a court-appointed legal guardian. A minor is the sole or the first account holder in a mutual fund folio because current regulations do not allow joint holding in a minor's mutual fund folio. Additionally, a minor cannot be the second holder in any other mutual fund scheme. So then how can parents plan to invest in the name of their minor child? In order to have a mutual fund account, the minor needs to have a bank account in the name of the minor from where the money will be invested. Preferably, the same parent or the legal guardian in the bank account will be added to the mutual fund account as well. As far as documentations are concerned, birth certificate, passport, or any other valid document evidencing the date of birth of the minor child will be needed as a proof of age. In addition to this, a document that proves the relationship between the guardian and the child will also be needed. For the parent or the guardian, however, all necessary KYC documentations will be needed in order to have this account. A minor can invest any amount of money through lump sum mode or through systematic investment plan or SIP. However, once the minor turns 18, the existing SIP stops and they can only be started after completing the KYC documentation and submission of a fresh SIP mandate. The same holds true for STP or Systematic Transfer Plan and SWP or Systematic Withdrawal Plan. When it comes to taxation, any capital gains out of the mutual fund investments in a minor folio will be clubbed with the income of the parent or the legal guardian and will be taxed in their hands. However, once the minor turns 18, any capital gains is then taxed in the hands of the major. There are a few important things to keep in mind once the minor turns 18. The mutual fund account also needs to be converted to a major account, or else the account becomes inactive till it is converted. An application form needs to be submitted to the mutual fund in the prescribed format called MAM form. But before that, the current bank account status of the minor also has to be updated as a major account, or else a new bank account needs to be opened. The minor's PAN and KYC details are submitted in order to complete KYC procedure along with the new bank details. Once this is done, the parent's or the guardian's name is removed from the account and the minor's signature replaces the guardian's signature in the investment account. Only then will be any new investments or redemptions possible in this account. Once the account is converted into a major account, joint holding and addition of nominee is also possible. In short, it becomes a regular mutual fund account just like adults have. Now, why would one start investing on behalf of their minor children? Investing at an early age has a lot of benefits. For parents who wish to introduce good financial habits to their children, this is an excellent way to do so, as the child can learn about saving and utilizing money to its full potential at an early age. They will certainly gain from the power of compounding and may make better returns as compared to someone who would have started investing at a later stage of life. And if there are market corrections due to market volatility, investments will have a longer time to recover from such losses. Having investments in their own name may make the minor child more responsible towards money management, and they might have more flexibility as how they would want to utilize the money once they become officially adults. So now that you know the benefits of having a minor account, why won't you have one for your kids? Happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.